You'll hear some of the great things that are happening within Richland One. You'll hear about our continued vision to make Richland One the best school district in the state, if not in the country. I say in the world. This is a great and phenomenal school district.
If you want some personalized learning programs, this is the place to be. You're talking to families and so forth. A premier quality language immersion program, music, fine arts, fully accredited by the International Accrediting Agency, Cognia. That's what Commissioner Devine was talking about in terms of meeting students where they are, knowing what their dreams, their potential is, and how do we craft a path and provide support to make that happen.
You can tell your clients that are moving to this district with confidence that there are things in place that this district is doing to assure them that their teachers are invested in the community just the same as they should be. And I think what it really does is just show all of the ingenuity that the district has in place to make sure that the students are set up to find success.
Ask the question, what is it you want for your child? And there's a pathway, and I can guarantee you we offer it.